Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring the device won't change power modes mid-adjustment, plug in or confirm battery above 20%. Once done, open Settings right away, press Win+I or click Start then Settings, because direct access speeds the process. Go to System and then Display so you have the correct panel for screen controls. You do this because brightness links to both display drivers and power plans, and accessing display first prevents conflicting adjustments. Now you adjust the slider to change luminance. Move it gradually so you don't overshoot and tire your eyes. If the value keeps shifting, make sure to turn off adaptive or automatic brightness in the same display page, because sensor-driven adjustments override manual settings. Next, inspect advanced display options. HDR, color profiles, or display drivers may clip perceived brightness, so switch off HDR or reset the profile if needed to finish. Save any power plan changes and test the brightness in both bright and dim rooms so you confirm comfort and visibility. If controls are missing or grayed out, update or reinstall the display driver because driver issues commonly block brightness functions. As a final troubleshooting step, reboot the machine and run the Windows Display Troubleshooter. If that fails, a temporary rollback of the driver often restores control. You'll then retest to ensure the manual brightness stays at your chosen level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.